In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Kajabi website domain URL. To get started, head over to Kajabi and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the dashboard for your website. This is where you'll manage the main settings connected to your Kajabi site, including the domain information you're looking for. From the dashboard, click Settings. After that, scroll down until you see the website section, then select Domains. This page is important because it shows all of the domains currently connected to your Kajabi website. If you ever need to confirm which web address is active, this is one of the best places to check. If you haven't connected your own custom domain yet, Kajabi will automatically assign you a subdomain. This usually follows a format like yourbusiness.mykajabi.com. You'll be able to see that URL listed directly in the domains section. So if you're using Kajabi's default address, that's the website URL you can use to access and share your site. If you have connected a custom domain, you'll see that listed there instead. For example, it might look something like www.yourbusiness.com or courses.yourbusiness.com. This is the address visitors will use to reach your website, so it's helpful to make sure you recognize the correct one before sharing it anywhere. To open your website, simply click the domain name listed inside Kajabi. You can also copy the URL and paste it directly into your browser. Once the site opens, take a moment to verify that everything loads correctly. This quick check can help you catch any issues right away. If you have more than one domain connected, go back to Settings and then Domains and look for the primary domain label. The primary domain is the main URL Kajabi uses for your website, pages, and links, so this is the one you'll usually want to use when directing people to your site. There's also another way to find your website URL. In the Kajabi dashboard, click Website, then select Design or Website Builder. From there, click Preview. When your site opens, the website URL will appear in your browser's address bar, which gives you another easy way to confirm the correct domain. Before you share your URL publicly, it's a good idea to test it. Open the site in an incognito or private browser window. Make sure all pages load correctly. Confirm that the URL uses HTTPS for SSL security, and test the navigation and links. That final check helps ensure visitors will have a smooth experience when they land on your website.